outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me in 5. I'll be on 9. I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
Greetings, Ascendant Nation. So I'm coming to you with a quick general reading. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. So we're going to start off with I used some DIY oracles, and then I used some purchased oracles. So we have ashes to ashes. So the card to clarify this is things. And following that, we have tribe. And then we have invisible. Okay, so the energy that I picked up with this was grave robbers or something of that sort. Okay, something significant about graveyard magic could be significant as well. All right, something about robbing graves, okay, or robbing the what people may call the dead. All right, so following that, we have main female and courthouse. Okay, so something could be significant about a main female who I'm picking up two energies here. Somebody who was left something, okay? And then I'm picking up someone who does graveyard magic surrounding, like something could be significant about court case spells or something like that, okay? The number 5 could be significant. The number 2 could be significant as well, all right? But definitely, and the number 7, all right? I'm getting 7 too, so something could be significant about travel. Following that, we have air sign moon, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Something could be significant about communication and law. All right. I have the numbers 333, 111, and 444. All right. So something definitely, this female could be an air sign, or someone here could be an air sign moon. Okay. Something could be significant about up to 6 passed over energies. Okay. Also, when it comes to the like the graveyard magic and the grave robber energy that I was picking up, the invisible card did come out in reverse. So I feel like that this is something that spirit is aware of or seen. Okay, so your guys could have seen someone or people, up to 6 people at least, doing graveyard magic, anywhere from 6 to 8. Okay, confirmation in the background. All right. Something could be significant too about full moon and Libra. I'm picking up too. All right, so something could be significant about that energy. Then we have they need you, not the other way around. Okay, so something could be significant about that. And we have moving forward. Okay, so I feel like whatever this is collective, it could, like I said, it could surround something that someone left you. All right, someone who has transitioned left you when it comes to this main female in this court case energy. Or courthouse energy. So whatever this is, it will help you to move forward. And like with the communication card too that we have, something could be significant about some communication coming in. Okay. Next we have from the grave. All right. So the message here is acts of love as is. Okay. So something could have been left to you as is. Okay, I'm hearing, or something could be significant about leaving something behind. Okay, as well. All right. Then we have limelight. All right. So something could be significant about someone who is or was in the limelight, as we do have from the grave energy. All right. Someone could be a part of your soul tribe, okay, as well. I'm picking up here. Then we have backstory. All right, so there could be some type of backstory that has come out or is getting ready to come out, okay, because we have backstory underneath the invisible in reverse. All right, so something could be being revealed either now or soon. Okay, so to further clarify this, we have the number 2. All right, so something could be significant about 2 people in the limelight. All right, or the month of February could be significant, or the 2nd of any month. Next we have Sekhmet. I am here. Okay, so something significant about Sekhmet. You could work with Sekhmet. We have Isis. I'm here. Something significant about Isis as well. And something could be significant with High Priestess energy also. Then we have thank you. All right. So your guides are telling you thank you. Your ancestors are telling you thank you. Okay. Then we have I communicate with you through music. So someone, and we do have the limelight card. Okay. So someone, this person could have been in the music industry. Okay. Something about them communicating with you when it comes to music. Okay. Then we have the letter I, and this is giving me like someone recognizing themselves. Like I am here. Okay, that was the energy I was picking up off of this. Okay. And I keep saying 30 as well. And 30 signifies I also. Okay. It also signifies Yehuda. Okay. Then we have I love you, mommy. All right. So something could be significant about a child coming through, a child energy. Okay. Who's saying I love you. All right. Or this could be someone's transition mother. I'm picking up too. Okay. So following that, we have redemption. Okay, so with this redemption energy, we have self-preservation. Okay, so I just feel like with this, spirit is saying it's time for you to put yourself first. Okay, something could be significant about self-care, self-awareness, self-love. Okay, self-respect. Okay, something could be significant about you pouring into yourself, okay, as well. All right. Something could be significant about karmic justice also, I'm picking up. All right. But someone, I'm also with this self-preservation and as is, something could be significant here about someone accepting you, okay, and not caring about what anyone else thinks or something like that, or you accepting you and not caring what anyone else thinks. I'm hearing that. Okay, so then we have sovereign. All right, and then we have limelight. Something could be significant about a contract here, I'm picking up. Okay, leadership, I'm picking up as well. All right, and then we have purpose. Okay, so something could be significant about leadership being your purpose. All right, there could be some type of in-depth backstory when it comes to your purpose. Okay, so to further clarify this, we have I am here, pull another oracle. All right, so something could be significant about a married couple because we do have marriage. All right, the number 3 could be significant. Something could be significant confirmation in the background. Something could be significant about a mother figure as well. Okay, like I said previously, something with the marriage card talks about a contract as well. So something could be highly significant about contracts here when it comes to redemption. Okay, your purpose could involve some sort of contract as well. Okay, or contracts. Okay, I'm picking up multiple. All right, and with to further clarify this energy, we have romance scammers. So this marriage card is also giving me the energy of some type of romance scammers out here. Okay, people just scamming people for money and this, that, and the other. Insurance policies I'm hearing too. Okay, so something significant, and there could be a married couple who are romance scammers I'm picking up. All right, then we have coons kissing the oppressor's ass. So whomever these individuals are, they could be, I just heard blinded. Okay, and I heard blindsided as well. So something significant about that. And then we have gay for pay. So whomever these individuals are, one is gay for pay or either both are. Okay. So to further clarify this energy, I did get some descriptive messages. All right, so something could be significant about jeans. All right, you could be wearing jeans now, or something could be highly significant about maybe an ancestor, confirmation background, but an ancestor who liked to wear jeans. Okay, I'm also picking up the energy of someone like maybe that you may see in your dreams or something like that, and jeans, double confirmation. Okay, so something about jeans here. You could be thinking about starting a jean line too. I'm picking it up also. And excuse me, y'all, my sinuses are running. So we have talks with a lisp. All right. So someone here could talk with a lisp. We have medium ears. So someone has medium ears. We have earrings. We have toddler. So something could be significant about a toddler. We have drinks coffee. We have tattoos below the waist. Birthmark above the waist on the back of the body could be significant. We have short in height. The letter R could be significant. The letter T could be significant. Dress, okay? Something could be significant about a T-strap dress, okay? Or someone whose name starts with the letter T who loves to dress, okay? Or something about fashion. The nickname T could be significant, okay? Somebody's initials could be RT, okay? Then we have young adult and no mustache, okay? So someone RT, young adult, no mustache, I'm getting. So then we have some states that could be significant. We have Mississippi, Ohio, Oklahoma, Austin, Texas, Madison, Wisconsin, and Atlanta, Georgia. Then we have some countries, the Czech Republic and Botswana. Then I have some letters for y'all. So these could be the first, middle, or last initial of a name. It could be the abbreviation of a state, a city, a landmark, a park, anything, okay? So it could be the abbreviation of a company too, I'm hearing. So we have the letter H. We have A, W, X. We have 2 E's, okay? We have O. We have D. Something could be significant about a pod, an axe, a deed. We have the letter P. Something could be significant about a paw, a pad, okay? Had could be significant. Deep could be significant. Dag. I'm getting few. Wop could be significant. Wade. Dex, D-A-X. PH could be significant. Heap or heed. G, G-E-E, that could be somebody's nickname. Exo could be significant. Wag. Dage could be significant. I'm getting Dexo too. Something about Dexo. Hex could be significant. Pax, Wax, Wade. I'm not sure if I said Wade. Geo, Waller, Pen or Pan, Exempt, Waller, Pago, Gap, Day, D-A-E, D, D-E-E, Hag, Jaw, Xylo, and I'm hearing Waller again. Okay, so that's everything I have for you, collective. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you did, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next reading.